Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY of these t-shirts you guys are looking at. This t-shirt, I bought it from Dollar Tree. It is $1, okay? $1. Okay, so recently I decided to start doing a DIY clothing. You know, I do storage of makeup items and all that DIY, but I just thought recently that let me even do some clothing, and I'm trying to incorporate that into my channel. You all can tell I don't have any makeup on. I just want to be me. I want to be free, you know. No makeup day for me today. I didn't do anything, you know. All right, so without wasting much of your time, we're going to jump into this tutorial. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, please leave a comment in the comment section. You all know I love to read your comment and I love responding to you all. All right, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. Guys, this is the t-shirt I showed you earlier before, and this is all I'm gonna need. My scissors, I'm gonna need my this fashion gems, gems, all right, for Dollar Tree as well. This is sold for $1. This actually came with a glue, which I'm not going to use because I'm going to be using my E6000. I trust this glue, like, you know, I can't say too much about it. Like, I love to use this glue. It does the job pretty much easy, and this is what I'll be using to design my t-shirts. Okay, and I want to take this t-shirt from ordinary t-shirts, you know, to a stylish top. So I'm going to be using this top I have at home. This top of mine is by BCBG. All right, so this one I'm going to be using it to get exactly the shape that I'm going for. So I'm just going to place it like so. All right, I'm not a stylist, fashion designer, if that's the right word. Okay, this is me just trying to guess what I'm going for. All right, so I'm going to be using my top to do this, to actually get the style I'm going for, which means the way I place it right now. So I'm going to be cutting this side up onto, like, you know, somewhere here. That's what I'm going for. All right. Guys, I've trimmed that out, and you all saw it. So this is the part that came out. So after I done that, I went off the camera, I tried it on to see how it's going to fit. So I kind of figure, of course, this place is bigger. So what we're going to do now is I have my red thread already put in the needle that I'm going to be using to, you know, to size that place to a perfect fit, so that place doesn't look you know, too big. So we just need to turn it to the left side or wrong side. I don't know what's the appropriate word to use. Okay, you all got what I mean, right? So you just turn it to the other side, and we do some kind of stitching. You know, we just sew it a little bit right there. It doesn't need to be perfect because you're going to turn it back to the right side too later, so people are not going to see it. Even if you're not a stylist, like I am not a fashion designer, I'm just, you know, doing a DIY to turn a men's shirt into a female dressy top. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So all we have to do is just to, you know, kind of sew this place with a thread and needle. All right. Guys, in order to give it a little bit shape, you know, because, you know, we mended this side, and it's gonna be looking funny if we don't do anything about this side to trim it a little bit. So I have decided to, you know, use the thread and the needle. I have it here. I don't know if you all can see it. That's what I have going on here. So I'm just gonna be sewing it. This is gonna take a little bit long because I don't have a sewing machine at home. If I have one, I would have used it. It will make it a lot more, you know, easier and faster for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna take that time to do this. It's just patience, okay? Eh?
That's what I'm Joseph.
Joseph. Ta ló ń jẹ́ Joseph?
My first son.
Oh, mi mọ̀ pórúkọ ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Mo yí náà tó ń wọ̀ ẹ́.
His name is Olamide. Wọ́n á sọ pé lọ orúkọ ni ó máa padà.
Wọ́n máa ń gbọ́rọ̀ ká má sọ mí. I've gone ahead and finish up the back, and this is the front, this is the sleeve, and that's what I did, you know, how it's looking. I can't wait to try it on my body so you can see the fitting and the parts that I sewed with the thread. You see how neat it is. It's very neat. You can hardly see the thread. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this cloth pin to hold each point. I bought the cloth pin too from Dollar Tree. So everything I'm using here, even the thread and the needle, they are from Dollar Tree. All right. So I'm putting the clips on each one. You call it clips, you call it cloth pins, you know, whatever one you call it. I'm just going to put it all around, even on the sleeve, so that it can be secured. I keep it somewhere, let it dry, then we do the try on. All right.
No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of her best friend's ride, try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You'll see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller, controller.
Cause all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
She caught me on the counter,
It wasn't me.
saw me banging on the sofa.
Cause I've been up all night, no sleep. Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love? And are you sure?
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea. although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body, and last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day this.
So guys, this is the end of this video. This last one is for those that are fashion forward. If you know you can pair two other colors together, I believe this shade of red goes with pink. All right, that's why I pair it together, and there's nothing wrong in trying new things. It goes very well. You all can tell, you can see it. There's nothing contradicting each other here. You just take your accessory to be simple and you'll be good to go. You can go with a black shoe or a pink shoe so that it can match with your pants. All right, so this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you like about this video, your favorite part of it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't before. Thank you all so much for watching, and please turn on your notification post so as to get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.